What you doing, Mercedes? I don't know, man. Just, put shit on my face. Trying to look cute and snatched. I'm gonna put you over here because I keep talking to myself and like I'm funny. I had like a video idea, like going to work, but like not do work, and filming a video and be like, oh, 75 questions with Vogue, but like, be stupid. Like, I'm not gonna like re-explain it because I already explained it, but you weren't here. You just had to be there, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, I'm just putting shit on my eyes to make it look less shitty, like make it look like I'm awake. It's a good tip, by the way, if you work anywhere that involves people, put shit on your face. And then, it'll look like you're awake. I like to put pink shit on my face because I like pink sometimes. And plus, I have this, like, very expensive, like, Kylie palette. It's called, like, I Want It All because it was, like, for her birthday or whatever. I don't know. How old is she? 30? I don't know. Older than me. I'm, like, what? 12? Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, I just like to put pink shit, Have, like, a pink gradient, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. If you're, like, an actual beauty guru, you know what I'm talking about. Except, like, I do a shitty job and I use the same brush for, like, 3 colors. So, I mean, like, yeah. Anyways, I had, like, this weird dream. Like, I was, like, coming out of work, but, like, my work didn't look like work. It was, like, a different work, but it had the same people. Had my store manager and my assistant manager, and I was just walking out, and then out of nowhere, there's, like, 2 people hanging themselves. Like, I don't know what I'm thinking, man. Like, don't ask me why they were in my dream, because I don't know. Like, and then they're like, just ignore them, just keep walking. It was like, Then my store turned into a playground, and we're trying to get the fuck out of there, and I was like, I don't know what's going on. I'm just 12. We were all trying to slide down the same thing, so I climbed down, and then it, like, changed completely to me driving home or something. I don't know, man. Dreams are weird. I'm out of breath because that dream was so, like, intense in my head. Like, oh my god. I feel like there was another part of my dream that I was just like, what the fuck? But, like, I don't remember right now. I don't know why. I'm so ugly. Oh my god. For as much makeup as I put on, I'm still ugly. Like, no boy's gonna fuck me. I mean, that's not true. Like, any guy would fuck me because I have 2 legs and a taco. But, like, they're not gonna date me because I'm ugly. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah. 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 So, like, I'm trying to think of what this other dream was because it was, like, stupid, and I was like, what the fuck? And I'm just like, oh, I remember. It was, like, literally, like, trying to go in a dream. This person is, like, in a dream state. They're laying down dead, traveling in, like, a dream world. I was, like, holding her legs. They're like, don't hold her legs because when she wakes up, she's gonna kick you. And I was like, I don't care. And then I fell asleep and went into the dream world, and I was like, holy fuck, she's not the only one. Me too. What? And then I don't know, man. Dreams are weird. But, like, apparently we were trying to beat this bad guy in a certain amount of time. And I was, like, trying to help. But then, like, I feel like whenever I help things, it just causes more problems. And I feel like I cause more problems when trying to help people. Because, it's always my fault. Always. So, like, yeah, that happened. Can always blame Marlene for doing that. But yeah, I don't know, man. And then apparently, like, even if it was, like, before or after that, I went prom dress shopping with my mom. I don't even go to high school anymore. I thought I was gonna burp. How rude, right? Can I interrupt my story like that? Could have burped after I was done telling the story. Anyways, so like I went prom shopping, and apparently like there was this contest of who looked the best in a prom dress, and I was like, it's totally gonna be me. Obviously, right? Yeah, because I'm hot. You're supposed to agree. Rude. Anyways. But like I didn't. But then I saw like people I knew there, and I was like, why are you here? Anyways, I don't know, man. Dreams are weird. I think I'm just more hung up on the fact that like I saw dead bodies in my dream. Like that literally suicided themselves in my dream. Like, how dare you? First of all, I didn't have time to talk to you and be like, yo, what's up? And then like, I don't know where that was trying to go, but like, please don't kill yourselves. Thanks. But yeah, my dream is fucked up. Like, you had the audacity to come up in my dream and be like, dead. Like, no thank you. No thank you. No one asked you for that. No. I literally do like the same makeup every day. Like this is the same thing. I put like pink shit everywhere. Like look at this. It's pink shit, like a gradient and everything. Like I blend it out. Like snatch. And then like I put glittery shit like right here. In my inner corner, and then I look snatched. And then I also get the eye boogers out my eyes at the same time, and then I like rub off excess on my shirt because I'm gross and I don't care. So yeah, look at. I can't multitask. No, I can't. I'm just trying so hard. I'm gonna put you back down so I can finish looking beautiful, and then yeah. But anyways, what was I even starting with this conversation anyways? Do you ever just like have a conversation with yourself and then like you go from one topic and then like somehow you're all the way to like Kylie Jenner's titties or whatever? Like I don't, like I was just talking about apples and now I'm at Kylie Jenner's titties. Her name's Kyler, by the way. Kyler Jenner. Okay. Anyways, I don't know, man. What's up with people wanting babies? Like, they're all gross and shit. Hey, no thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm like almost done and I'm happy because makeup takes forever. Oh my gosh. Like, you've literally been here the whole process and it takes forever. And I haven't even done foundation either. And it still takes forever. Oh, it took another. That's how you do makeup, okay? Don't judge me. Don't come at me like that. Don't look at me like that either. I know how you're looking at me. It's not nice. Then I put a little bit on my nose. Because it's not greasy enough. So I gotta look even more greasy. You know what my pet peeve is? People saying that they don't like highlight because it makes people look greasy as fuck. But then she's over here highlighting her face and doing makeup and everything, and then she looks greasy as fuck. Like, try again. Like, I remember what you said, and now you're changing your mind. Who are you? Hypocrite? Yeah, so am I. That's why I get to say whatever the frick I want, okay? Not my mom. You're not my dad! Anyways, do you know how I do my eyebrows? I just get, like, very black, eyeshadow, and then, like, whatever this brush is called. I don't know. I'm not a beauty guru. I want to be, but I'm not. And I just color them in. Like, look at that. Look how good that looks. So good. Anyways. I can't guarantee that my tips are the best, but I can guarantee that it gets the work done. Gets stuff done. You know, it'd be funny, like, having an actual, like, beauty guru, like, do my makeup for me. And I'd be like, I've never done any of that before. Like, I don't think I even have the right shade of foundation for me either, because don't no one ever teach you that. Actually, they do. I don't watch it. I don't care. I don't care. Also, I haven't plucked my eyebrows in like 10 years, so they look rough. Like, you see this right here? Disgusting. So, So yeah, I don't worry about it. Also, I want to shave off like the tail of my eyebrows, like just shave it off right here, just for fun, you know? Cause you only live once. My eyebrows can grow back. I don't know. I just want to shave them off sometimes. And be like my mom. She has eyebrows, you just can't see them, okay? She doesn't shave her eyebrows. She might as well, because I wouldn't tell the difference anyways. You'd be like, shave off your eyebrows, Mom. Maybe if she shaved them, they'd actually grow back and you can see them. I'm like low-key making fun of my mom, but like also not, because she's not here to hear me. But like, also, she doesn't even watch my videos anyways. Like, thanks, Mom. Thanks for supporting me, Mom. You're supposed to be my biggest fan, but you're not. Rude. How rude. So rude. Comment down below. So rude, Mom. So rude. So then I can show her and be like, look, people agree that you're rude, Mom. So rude. Rude. Like, no one's gonna comment. Like, I'll comment below. So rude. I'll go on my second email, go on YouTube and be like, so rude, and comment, be look, Mom, I have a follower that does what I say. It's me. Just don't tell my mom. Don't tell her I'm a lesbian. You're a lesbian? I thought you were American. If you know what fight that came from, he will reach. Only like people who watch Vine compilations on their free time, because if you don't, we won't ever work out ever. See how good my eyebrows look? Fucking snitched. And then last thing is I just put on it. It's called mascara. It's this. That's all I do. So you're welcome for this nice YouTube makeup tutorial. Like, I'm here every day. Not really. I'm at home every day. That's true. I'm trying to buy a camera, so I'll have that probably next week. I get paid this week, but I'll have it next week. You know, same thing. You know what sucks? I sold my camera, but like, I haven't had a camera in like 2 weeks. No, 4 weeks. It feels like, 4 weeks. I poked my eye, I'm sorry. The real question is if anyone's actually gonna like subscribe to me and think I'm funny, because I think I'm funny. And that's what people like to say, like, as long as you think you're funny, that's the important part, right? But, like, I want other people to think I'm funny, too. Because then that'd be cool. Be like, I don't care. I'm gonna think I'm funny anyways. But, like, deep down, I'd be like, I'm not funny. Oh, I don't know. But actually, I'm confused of what I'm saying. I don't even know. I'm not gonna edit this, so you're getting uncut footage. Because I give up on life, okay? I give up. Maybe when I get my camera, I'll edit better, because none of the videos are going to be edited. Oh, man! You see that? I didn't come here for this kind of shit right here, okay? I came to look beautiful and, like, amazing, but now I'm just looking like trash. Utter trash. Oh my gosh. Like, there's girls that I went to school with that, like, probably do their makeup so much better than I do. But, like, some of them are utter trash, too. Like, not their faces, just their personality. But at least I know I'm trash. Both as a person and as, like, a makeup artist. Also, I'm pretty bad at, like, taking pictures, but, like, I only say that not to toot my own horn, because, like, it came off. Anyways, I'm gonna put my hair down. I don't even know how long this is gonna be. Oh, it's been 15 minutes. anyways, this is the final look. I think I'm gonna have to edit this, actually, because I don't want it to be longer than, like, 12 minutes. Minutes 15. I kind of look like Michael Jackson, so there's that. Here's your Michael Jackson tutorial. I'm in my bathroom. Anyways, thanks for watching. Michael Jackson is out.